Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best ssds for ps5 2025. Number 1. WD_Black licensed. Unlock the full potential of your PlayStation 5 with officially licensed expanded storage designed specifically for seamless compatibility. This high-performance M.2 SSD is engineered for effortless installation and reliable integration, featuring a custom heatsink optimized for the PS5's internal design. With storage capacities ranging from 1 terabyte to a massive 4 terabytes, you'll have room to store up to 100 games, eliminating the need to constantly delete or transfer titles. Enjoy uninterrupted gameplay by playing directly from the drive, ensuring your favorite titles are always ready to launch without delay. Built with cutting-edge PCIe Gen 4 technology, this SSD delivers blistering read speeds of up to 7,300 megabytes per second, offering smooth, immersive gaming experiences with ultra-fast load times. Every detail, from performance to form factor, is crafted to meet the demands of next-gen gaming. Also included is a 14-day trial of PlayStation Plus Premium Deluxe, giving you instant access to hundreds of top-tier games to explore. Whether you're diving into massive open-world adventures or quick multiplayer matches, this powerful storage upgrade ensures you'll never be held back by limited space or slow performance. Just install, play, and experience the freedom of next-level gaming. Number 2. Fikwot Dynamic. Experience high-speed performance and enhanced reliability with a next-generation M.2 SSD designed for demanding users and gamers. Built on PCIe Gen 4x4 architecture and supporting NVMe 1.4 protocol, this internal SSD delivers blazing read speeds of up to 4,800 megabytes per second and write speeds reaching 4,200 megabytes per second. Equipped with a dynamic SLC cache, it ensures consistently smooth and stable operation even under heavy workloads. Whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking, this drive is built to keep up with your pace. Compatible with a wide range of devices, it seamlessly expands storage for PlayStation 5 consoles, with an easy-to-install heatsink included, while also supporting desktops, all-in-one PCs, and laptops running Windows 7 through 11. Rigorous testing, including 88 hours of performance evaluations, ensures top-tier reliability. This includes endurance checks like a 16-hour sleep cycle test, 48-hour read/write trial, and high-temperature flash memory tests to guarantee stability under pressure. Thermal management is handled efficiently with a high-conductivity thermal pad and an aluminum alloy heatsink that rapidly dissipate heat, preventing thermal throttling during high-speed transfers. Designed for speed, reliability, and versatility, this SSD is a robust solution for users who demand peak performance and long-term durability. Number 3. Fanxiang Gaming. Unlock smooth, high-speed performance and generous storage capacity with this advanced M.2 SSD designed for gamers and professionals alike. Built on PCIe Gen 4x4 technology and fully compatible with the NVMe 1.4 protocol, it delivers read speeds up to 5,000 megabytes per second. Perfect for lightning-fast game launches and responsive system performance. Optimized for PlayStation 5, it ensures a seamless gaming experience while also serving as a high-efficiency upgrade for desktops and laptops. With storage options ranging from 500 gigabytes to 4 terabytes, this SSD offers ample room to store large game libraries, multimedia files, and essential applications, eliminating concerns about space. A specialized graphite heat dissipation sticker keeps the drive cool even during extended gaming or intense workloads, ensuring long-term performance without thermal throttling. Its broad compatibility across platforms makes it a versatile solution for both work and play, supporting various usage scenarios without sacrificing speed or stability. Backed by a 5-year after-sales service and lifetime technical support, users can rely on long-term assistance and professional guidance whenever needed. Whether you're upgrading your console or enhancing your PC, this SSD delivers dependable speed, thermal control, and expansive storage in one sleek, high-performance package. Number 4. Black NVMe. Level up your PlayStation 5 with officially licensed high-performance storage built for speed, capacity, and seamless integration. Designed specifically for the PS5 console, this M.2 SSD features an all-in-one heatsink that fits perfectly into the M.2 expansion slot for effortless installation. With up to 2 terabytes of added storage, you can hold up to 50 games based on an average size of 36 gigabytes, eliminating the constant need to delete or transfer files to make room for new titles. Engineered with advanced PCIe Gen 4 technology, it delivers blazing read speeds of up to 7,000 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 5,300 megabytes per second, 1 terabyte model, ensuring ultra-fast load times and smooth in-game performance. Whether you're exploring expansive open worlds or switching between multiplayer matches, this drive delivers the responsiveness needed for immersive gaming. Enjoy the freedom to store and play PS5 compatible games directly from the drive, optimizing your console's performance without any additional steps. Built for gaming from the ground up, it not only expands your storage but enhances your overall experience. With cutting-edge speed, durable construction, and PS5 firmware compatibility, it's the perfect upgrade for gamers who demand peak performance and convenience. Number 5. Acer High. Designed for high-performance gaming and demanding computing tasks, this advanced M.2 NVMe SSD leverages the PCIe Gen 4 standard to deliver exceptional speed and responsiveness. With sequential read speeds reaching up to 7,400 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 6,700 megabytes per second, it offers the blazing fast performance needed for seamless gameplay, quick boot-ups, and ultra-smooth application loading. Perfect for serious gamers and power users, it enhances system responsiveness and reduces lag across the board. Thermal management is a priority, featuring a custom-engineered heat spreader that ensures efficient heat dissipation even under sustained heavy use. This helps maintain stable performance, prevents thermal throttling, and extends overall drive reliability. Built with a cutting-edge controller that includes an integrated power management unit, PMU, this SSD also optimizes energy usage, reducing power consumption, promoting system efficiency, and helping maintain cooler operation over time. To streamline the upgrade process, it comes bundled with a custom version of Acronis True Image software, allowing you to easily clone, backup, or migrate data with confidence. Whether upgrading your gaming rig or enhancing a high-end workstation, this SSD offers a premium combination of speed, efficiency, and long-term stability, all in a compact next-gen design. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.